We know what it feels like to want to re-engineer the world now, only to be stopped by the how. To see the possibilities in the new, only to be slowed down by the same old, same old. Sometimes it feels like progress takes forever. And sometimes all it takes is a small breakthrough to break the mold. KyronMAX. Set new standards, create new ways of working, transform entire industries. Breakthrough technology the engineering industry has been waiting for. We're breaking the mold on everything, from materials processing through to design collaboration, building a more sustainable circular economy. KyronMAX changes the world. Break through to a world where liquid molds and forms into solid complex shapes. Ideas become prototypes in just a few days. And polymer outperforms metal, where stronger is lighter, and plastic is reusable, where sustainability is a real possibility. A world where progress is faster, further, and forever evolving, where suppliers become true partners, working together to change the world right now. KyronMAX, are you ready to break the mold?